Link will be in the description. I will be using these it says cut resistant gloves, you guys. So they're not cut proof, but cut resistant. I don't know if they have cut proof. I will look it up, but all right, so here's a thorn. Let me see. Okay, so it's taking a little while to go through the glove. All right, but I still feel the poke, you guys. But as far as like grabbing it, it's not like, if you don't grab it hard, you good. But if you grab it lightly, well, that's basically, I'm saying the same thing, but if you grab it lightly, you good. As far as the thorns go, like I said, you grab it nice and gentle. 1/2 inch. Let's go. And I am holding it very comfortably. Like, it is not poking my hands. Well, I'm not feeling the puncture through the glove. And keep in mind, I am grabbing it very soft. All right. Whoop, it just went through the glove. It just went through the glove. So it did go through the glove, but I didn't feel it because the glove is a little bit further away from my hand. But I do feel it. You just have to be very gentle. All right. If you wasn't wearing gloves, it will definitely hurt. All right. So definitely get yourself some cut resistant gloves. If you could find some cut proof, then cut proof will be the best, because it should be cut proof. It shouldn't be able to puncture. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.